Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. You guys, in this video, I'm going to show you something that I picked up the other day while we were in Tennessee. I was at a tool store called Direct Tools. I picked this up thinking, you know what? This would be really good for rinseless washing and waterless washing. It wasn't real expensive. It only cost me $40, actually $35 at that store, you guys. It's $40 on Home Depot's website. But it's something that I said, if this works good, it's going to be a time saver for me. It's going to take away the fatigue in my hand. All around, if this product works great, then it's definitely worth the money. Let me tell you something. I fell in love with this thing, and I'm going to show you guys what it is in just a minute. So let's do it. All right, you guys, so here it is. It is the Ryobi 18-volt compact sprayer. You can use it in spray, mist, or fog mode. I figured out the mist mode and the spray mode, not necessarily the fog mode, you guys, but I don't really care about the fog mode. It does not matter to me at all. But this is it right here. I saw this. I was like, you know what? This would be great for detail sprays and rinseless washes and waterless washes. So I picked it up. It was $35 under a blemished product because the Direct Tools, they sell either remanufactured blemished Ryobi and some like Milwaukee and some Ridge and stuff like that. I have tons of Ryobi batteries, you guys, because I have Ryobi tools. I have tons of them. I love them. They've never, ever, not one time let me down, and I have used and beat the snot out of a lot of them. I absolutely love them. So my battery fits this, you guys. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to pick it up, $35. It's $40 at Home Depot, you guys, on their website. And I'll put a link in the description of the video where you can find it. I paid this for this myself, you guys. It does say it has you can go through 200 tanks per battery charge on a 2 amp hour battery, but that's with it in stream mode, not misting mode. So I have no idea, but I can tell you, you're going to get a lot of refills out of this before you actually have to charge your battery because it doesn't use very much. And when you pull the trigger, you can tell it's not really putting a strain on the battery. There's not a whole lot to this gun right here, you guys. This is a ½ liter, which is 16 ounces is what goes in here, you guys. What I want this for is my rinseless washing and my waterless washing. That's exactly what I bought it for. No more of this constantly all the time, you guys. This is going to make it easier. Plus, you use less product because it's misting it on there for you. You're not spraying it and having a whole bunch of product come out. That's what I love about it. It does have an adjustable nozzle right here on the end. I like to have it closed and then just barely open it. And that is perfect for me. This is a quick disconnect. I have to do this one-handed, not one-handed, but you know what I mean. Quick disconnect right there, you guys. And then inside here, you're going to have a straw, which is going to be your pickup tube right there. And that is all there is to this machine, you guys. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I fell in love with this. This right here is a product, in my opinion, that has been looked over in the detailing market because us detailers, we're not thinking about a product like this. We're thinking of the pump up sprayers and stuff like that. This right here is going to be a game changer. If you're a detailer and you have any Ryobi batteries at all, go buy one of these. You're going to absolutely fall in love with it, just like I did. With the battery on it, it's not heavy. It's very, very light, you guys. Very simple to use. Just pull the trigger and you are ready to go once you put your dilution ratio in here. So in this video, you guys, I'm going to use Phoenix EOD's Hydra Rinseless Wash, and I'm using about half an ounce in about 15 ounces of water. I measured it out. A little bit goes a long way. It does mist, and that's what helps you save product, you guys. Let me show you how awesome this thing does at misting onto the paint. All right, you guys, so let me show you why I love this so much. It gives you just the perfect mist. I'm hoping the sun in the background will really show you guys the mist is what I'm hoping happens here. And say hi to Harley down there. But the nozzle is adjustable, so you can have just a stream, you guys. It shoots pretty far, or you can adjust your mist. But there's really not a whole lot of adjustment. You either get a big mist or you get a stream. It seems like with this tip right here. I've done over half of the truck, and I've still like right there, so I haven't used hardly anything because it's a mist. So here we go. Let me show you guys what it looks like. That's it. That's all it takes. And to do a rinseless or waterless wash, now the surface is plenty wet enough. Okay, show you again. That's it. No hand fatigue pulling triggers. I love this tool. This thing has been overlooked by detailers for a long time until probably this video. When people see this, they're going to start going out and buying it because that is fantastic. All right, let me show you at a different angle. Okay. And a nice wide pattern. It just takes hardly anything at all, you guys. And I'm using this as a waterless wash is what I'm actually using this as. And it just makes washing super simple. This truck is not dirty. It's just dusty. I'm getting ready to take it to the dealership. Hopefully try to sell it on consignment. We're going to find out. But yeah, the people are going to say, man, you shouldn't wipe like that. It's just dusty. That's all it is. But I really like that. And I'm using Hydra as my waterless wash, you guys. I sell it on my website. It's a fantastic rinseless wash. And it's a fantastic waterless wash. I just like to use a little bit more than I would on the rinseless when I use it for a waterless wash to give me plenty of lubricity when using it. But man, I love this thing. It's going to make my job so much easier anytime I do a rinseless or waterless wash. All right, let me show you in this last section on the glass because it'll really show you on glass the kind of pattern it's got. And you can see the glass does have some water spots on it from sitting outside. There you go. That's all it takes. You don't need much more than that. There's plenty. I mean, look at that. Plenty of liquid on here. I mean, you could put your waterless washes in here. You can put your just detail sprays in here. You're going to save product, that's for sure, because you're using hardly any because it's misting out, which is great. I probably put too much water on here just to show you guys, but that's how great Hydra is, though. It flashes fast. You can't use too much because it leaves nothing behind, so it's not going to streak or anything. No protection left behind. But yeah. All right, you guys, so I am done. I used that gun to clean this entire truck, front to back, all the windows, top, the bed cover, everything. Wheels, everything. And let's go see how much liquid we have left over. All right, you guys, so let's see how much I used. This is a 2-ounce measuring cup. See if I can show you guys. At the very top of that line, there you go, 2 ounces right there. Let's see how much I actually used. I filled this up with 15 ounces of water right around there. And then I put half an ounce of Hydra in it. So I'm guessing there's about 3 ounces left in here, but let's just see. I just don't want to go out the vent. That's a vent right there on the side, you guys. Okay, so there is 2 ounces right there. Let me go dump this out. Oh, there's another 2 ounces, and that's pretty much it. There's not enough in there to really measure. So I ended up only using about 12 ounces to wash this entire truck. All right, you guys, so that's going to do it for the Ryobi 18-volt compact sprayer. Wow, I only used 12 ounces of solution, but only half an ounce of actual product. So imagine out of that big bottle of Hydra that I have, how many washes I can get if the paint's not bad. This is more or less dusty. I had a little bit of raindrops on it, but that was it. It was not real dirty. I would not do a waterless wash on a real dirty car. I want to do either a rinseless, or if it's really dirty, I'm going to have to get a hose and bucket out. But it was dusty, had some watermarks on it. Just want to give it a good wipe down. but half an ounce. That's it. So that car wash cost me basically nothing, and I cleaned this entire car. It didn't take me very long either, which is great. But the awesome part about this is the battery power that it has. I had a 4 amp hour battery on here. It was fully charged when I put it on. It's still fully charged. It says you can get 200 bottles of jet spray out of a 2 amp hour battery. My guess, you can probably get 150 bottles out of a 4 amp hour battery or more in the misty mode that I used it in. It doesn't sound like it's taken a whole lot of battery power to actually get this thing to operate. It just doesn't. And if you ever get one, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Game changer for me, you guys. This is a looked over product in the detailing world. I'm glad that I found it, and that's why I wanted to share it with you guys, because if you have Ryobi batteries, even if you don't have Ryobi batteries and you buy one of these with a battery and a charger, you're going to thank me later, because it's going to make your detail sprays, rinseless washing, water washing, anything you want to put in here. If you want to put like a clay lube in it, that'd be fine too. And it's going to save you money in the long run, because you're going to save money on products. So once again, game changer for me, you guys. Absolutely love this little Ryobi 18 volt compact sprayer. Fantastic unit, you guys. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video and checking it out. If you did like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Fab family. We'd love to have you. We'll see you in the next video.